Hey guys, today I am gonna be showcasing all of my jailbreak vehicles to you guys. So, just so I don't have to be annoyed by escaping prisons and stuff, I'm gonna be a police for this show. So, alright, let's get to it. First up, we have our helicopter. I know, some of these vehicles you spawn with, so I might not want to show all of them. Now, you can skip to the part where you don't have to look at the Camero and the helicopter. I'll probably leave the part of the video in the description where you can just skip. So first up we have our classic helicopter. So, how to say, it's pretty slow. It's just a helicopter. We have our Camero here, which we can enter as river, and it's the default part of spawning. So if you haven't tell your friends that you have, then here. Whoa, what's this stuff? Whoa, what's this stuff? Why is the river lava? I've never actually seen this before. Is this part of the new update? Okay. Anyways, why is all the light red too? So as I said, I'm gonna be showcasing my guns and my vehicles. So here's the pistol. Pretty basic. Aiming, shooting. Here's the, oh no. Well, here's my chance to show off my AK-47. Well, here we go. Alright, so all the guns we have here aren't the most accurate guns, but we do have a rocket. Probably the most accurate weapon I have. It's not what you think I mean by accurate. I mean, yes. And if the person dodges it, well, they're gonna have a lot of trouble trying to not, well, get blown up, because this is a rocket launcher, and what I mean by that is it's really easy to shoot and kill someone, especially if you're a prisoner and you want to get rid of some cops. Like, you challenge your friend that, okay, I bet you can't arrest me. So then they try to blow them. Anyway, I just got off track there. Here's our next vehicle, the Tesla Cybertruck. This is a 6-seater car, as you can see. And hopefully you know what a Tesla is. If you don't, it's a very fast car. There's a few kinds of Tesla. A little bit like other cars. So I'm playing on iPad. I haven't played much Roblox on iPad, so sorry. The Tesla Cybertruck might not go as fast as you might see on your computer or something. I don't know. So yeah, that's the Tesla Cybertruck. I say it's pretty useless actually. It's not very good. Unless you somehow don't have a pickup truck and you're trying to let's just say pick up your friends from the bank because you have to, and you have like more than 2 or 4 friends, like maybe 9 friends, let's just say, and then you try to fit them all in a Lamborghini or something. No, that's not gonna work. Unless you make them stand on the roof, which is a very bad idea, because they might fall off in the middle of the trip and might be getting killed by a car. But what else have you got? So, what you can do is, you can have everybody sitting in the passenger seat. If you have 9 friends, the 6 people sit in the passenger seats, and you have 3 just standing in the back, being able to shoot and stuff. So yeah. Then next up, as you were expecting, the Lamborghini. Now usually I use engines, very fast cars. I usually put level 5 engines. I'll show off this fast car. I'll just drive all the way to the garage to show this one off. I'll do the long way. Ooh, somebody else is here. Marshall. If you guys look at the chat now. Now, so here we go. I pretty much have all the most accessible cars in the game. Like, let's say just rob the bank. And you really, really, really need to get away because the cops are right there and you're shooting. So what you can do is, you can just grab that Lamborghini that spawns all the time over there and run off. So yeah, I do have a few other cars that I could show you. Like, if I get to the garage, then I can show you some of my other cars. Is this Okay, here we go. The Tesla Model 3. No. Why are the people on the server so bad? I'm trying to record a YouTube video here. Okay. So, I've got the Tesla Model 3. And I'll probably put level 5 engines on it to show it off. Or, no, actually, since this is a car showcase, you might not have very good, well, engines for your car. So, I'm just the normal cars as they are. What? Wait, what? Okay, so, yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. That prison. If I literally were to just become a prisoner right now, life would be way easier. But the team is... So, you got all the big bounty players. And so you really, really, really want to finish off with a lot of money at the end of the day, or at the end of the time you were playing. And so what you can do is you can get the Tesla Model 3 if you're really poor in the game. Like, let's just say you got 20k or something. Alright, maybe 20k is not so poor. If you got 10k, you can rob the train once and the bank once. Then you'll be close enough to getting the Tesla Model 3. Spawn killers. Okay. So I'm probably gonna time-lapse this part of the video, or I'll just skip this part of the video. So I'm gonna try and quickly get out. Did that helicopter just try to escape? I am gonna get into this police place thing, and I will not die. Finally. So here I am, out here. What? So I'm here on top of the helipad where there's no helicopter right now. Come on. No! Really? As you can see, I'm poor in the game right now. I'm just gonna do the prisoner glitch where you can actually just put all your police stuff in the prisoner cabin thing. So I'll roof myself. Oh, guys, if you didn't actually know, there's a glitch in jailbreak where you can just take all your police stuff and oh, come on. So there's this jailbreak glitch where you can turn into a cop and put all your stuff in your drawer, and then you become a prisoner, you oof yourself, and you get all the stuff back. And so you can do that. Is there a hacker on this server? Seriously? Like, seriously? Finally, I managed to get out of prison. Now I'm saving up for the Saurus here, which is the second most accessible vehicle in the game. So I'm gonna go all the way to the garage finally now and show you guys the Tesla Model 3. I just realized I passed the garage, I think. So be time-lapsing right now too. Oh, come on. Yes, he ran away. Okay, so I'll first be showing off the Tesla Model 3, and I'm not gonna go too far from the garage just cause if I get lost again, I'll have to do another time lapse. So here's the Tesla Model 3. I'm gonna customize it, and I'm not gonna turn on my level 5 engines just to show you guys how fast this thing is. So I told you guys already that I'm playing on iPad, so the vehicles might go a little slower than they will go on the computer or something. So yeah, that is literally the Tesla. A huge glitch. So are your friends. And I know not a lot of people know about this. Oh no. So I know that not a lot of people know about this car, the Tesla Model 3 in the game. So yeah, you better get this car before any of your friends find out if that car even exists. And you can literally just tell them, hey, guys, look, I was so rich that I bought the car, and now it's my car. And I was richer than you guys, and now I'm cooler than you guys in the game. Yeah, that's only if you want to show off. I suggest not to. Then yeah, go ahead, do it. Now till I get this car back to the garage, you might be thinking, hey, Zoner, how did you get so rich in jailbreak anyway? Well, easy, do grinding. Just keep on doing grinding. And soon one day, you'll be at like 63k lucky. But 63k is still kind of poor, you know. Because, you know, huge YouTubers, like huge YouTubers have 1 million or something. Yeah, they just spend a bunch of Robux. Now I'm still trying to find my way back to the garage. I'm gonna lock this car. Nobody's getting this car. No. Here we go again. I'm back at this place. Should I get this? Should I get this? No, I'm not. So I'm gonna time lapse this part too. Just till I'm getting to the donut shop garage. Because the neighborhood is probably the best place. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna time lapse this. If any of you guys know if a hacker did this or is this part of the new update, please comment down below. subscribe. I know all YouTubers ask for this, but yeah. Why don't you get in trouble? I'm too used to being in prison. So, guys, I'm also already in the Deja. Probably one of the two cheapest vehicles I've bought. So the Deja is the new cheapest vehicle in the game. It's not really worth it. I'd suggest save up and buy the Tesla Model 3 for 16,000. So here we go. Here's the Deja. I told you it's really bad. Now we'll ride this around from Unit to so here we go. This is the Deja. Real hard to control. So yeah. It is what it is. It's crashed. So the next vehicle is, well, those are fast cars. So the next vehicle is the bike. I had the bike. Did they just tow my Deja? Man, I love it. So I've got the bike here. This is like probably the fastest thing in the whole game. Unless you're asking me what about the whole game. Oh no. Okay, so there goes our bike. No. No. You evil lady, why did you do that? What? Sorry. I really needed money. Thanks for the money. Alright. So next up, I'm gonna be showing you guys what's it called? The Ray. It's really, it's not as good as the Tesla Model 3, even if it's more expensive. So next up is the Ray. I know it looks cool, but it's not as cool as you think it is. It really isn't. So that's the Ray. So that's the Raver. How does my nitro turn on? Really, how does my nitro turn on? So that was the Ray. I hate playing on iPad. So next up we have our torpedo. Next up we have our where is it? Our Challenger. I have a Challenger, and if you just robbed the power plant and you forgot to lock your car, somebody stole Then there's a challenger that spawns right beside the pepper plant, which you can just go ahead and grab. But here we go. Here's my favorite mashup. So I spawn in the Lamborghini. So first up, I'll spawn in the Lamborghini. If I'm done waiting. Back inside the garage. And this is my favorite looks for the Lamborghini. And you know, I always put on the fastest engine there is that I can get. So I put on the level 5 and here we go. Here we go. I know, right? It looks extremely really? Like, really? I really wanted to show you guys that. But, alright guys, I'm gonna end this video right here, right now. See you guys later.